Hi everyone. So today it's going to be a birthday read for those born on the 3rd of February. So a very happy birthday, darlings. And let's try and find out how this entire year would be for you. Darlings, if you're new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to it, and to hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been a regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of the Read to Live family. Okay, so this is going to be a generic reading, so it may or it may not resonate with most of you. So whatever resonates, you take, and the rest you can actually leave behind. And let's try and see what good news can we expect. Okay, and if there are any blockages, what guidance can we seek? So let's begin. Angels and spirit guides, please can you help us getting some messages for my darling sweethearts as to how this birthday year would be all about. Okay, there we have. Let's see what more message can we have. Okay, there we have one more. Let's see, are there any more messages coming for you? Oh, sweethearts, too many messages, but no, let's try and see. Okay, I'm just placing these cards. And okay, let's see what else can we have. Angels and spirit guides, any more messages for my darlings? Oh, too many. Sweeties, you have lot many messages coming in, is it? Okay, let's see what else can we have. Let's seek any more messages. Angels and spirit guides, any more messages? Let's see what can we have. Okay, let's have this. Let's have this. Oh, see, that was a card that had actually come before, but okay, let's have this. Okay, let's I'll just place these cards. And if you're asking me how the year is, well, the year is interesting, but just a few things that needs to be taken care of, but the end result is good. I can definitely tell you that. Okay, let's seek some angelic guidance also, darling. Angels and spirit guides, please can you help us getting some messages for my sweethearts? Okay, there we have. Any more messages? Anything else? Okay, no. So we have angels have given you, so let's see. Okay, I'll just place them. Okay, there seems interesting. And okay, somehow I feel they're complementing each other. I don't know, I'm getting those energies that universe is trying to give you one message and the angels are also complementing at the same. Okay, I don't know if that is exactly the scenario because that's how I am catching the energy, but let's try doing that way. Okay, I will just keep reading what the energies are saying and let's see if it works or how it resonates with you. Okay, so let's begin with the read. Now, if you see the center of the spread, it says burden. It seems you are burdened with lot many responsibilities. Either you could be carrying for unnecessary reasons. Now it's like, you know, you can't have a clarity. Okay, there are lot many people you are carrying on your shoulders. Your shoulders could be hurting, I feel, I don't know, or your back could be hurting, I don't know. I'm catching that energy, so I can sense a lot many people could be having a lower back issue, or your shoulders could be hurting. So it means there are a lot many responsibilities you're holding on or you are carrying. Sweethearts, if those responsibilities belong to you, have them and obviously carry forward, and you know you can manage them. But if it is somebody else's responsibilities, darling, you don't have to, right? So when we have responsibilities towards our parents, to if you're married, towards your in-laws as such and all, that's completely understood. But if you have a sibling who can actually you know, bear half your responsibilities, I think that can be done, right? So whatever belongs to you, take it. What belongs to others, leave it. Because you know, it's like, you know, somebody's trying to guide you, but you just don't know where to look, how to look. Look at you. You can barely see anything, okay? And there are many hurdles. So you will be like, okay, I can't find a place, I can't find a way out. What do I do? That is because you are just carrying unnecessary burden, okay? So sweethearts, release that. It is not required. First thing, there are possibilities that you might have to travel somewhere, or maybe there could be a shift that is coming for you. If there is a shift, then maybe you could be having many you know how we have a heavy heart of leaving one place and going to another place, and there are many memories you're holding on to, and we don't know. It's like, I want to be there, but then I know I have to go there. But darlings, if you have to go ahead in life, you need to release that. You need to let go of that, okay? So don't hang up, don't carry those things, just go ahead, okay? Release this burden. That is the center. What the angels are saying is, darling, you need to get in a lot of fresh air, okay? Spend time with nature. You have been too much indoors, or you have been in a claustrophobic kind of a situation for a few, okay? And you are like, can you just take me out? Like, you know, somebody just take me out. You know, that is the kind of vibe I'm catching for a few. If it is, darling, step out. Nature is the best healer. Please go out. Now, for a few, if you think your relationships are going too platonic and things are not going really good, then I think your relationship also needs to breathe fresh air, okay? Rekindle your love, go out for vacations, take your family. Your child also needs attention, because I think there is a child that seems to be in the picture. So if you're married and if you have a child, then go out, spend time. I think your child also is seeking attention, okay? Let's go on ahead. Now, you seem to be having some trust issues. And if you can see, there is a child that you are holding on to, and there is a child that is flying in the air. So your inner child seems to be triggered for a few, where you could have been like, you know, your trust issue could have gone for a toss. Like somebody could have taken advantage, or somebody could have backstabbed, you know, where you get heartbroken for some reasons. Then now universe is saying that, darling, you can trust now. Okay, you can take that leap of faith. You don't have to worry, okay? Some good news is definitely coming up. Just trust. If you're scared, release your worries, release your insecurities to the universe, to the angels. They will take care of it, okay? Send lots of love is what the angels are saying. If it is your inner child, then you need to face your fears, your insecurities. Spending time with children will definitely be beneficial. And maybe for a few, if you are planning to conceive, or hoping, like, you know, to adopt for a beautiful soul, yes, there seems to be some pregnancy, adoption, baby shower, you know, some good news seems to be coming in. Or maybe, because I'm catching the energies, maybe somebody in your family needs attention as a child, okay? So either love is being missed, or the child could be a little cranky. And also, if that child is being cranky, try to find out why that crankiness is around, okay? That is one thing. Again, there seems to be another inner child coming in. You may feel like an outsider, okay? If you are feeling like an outsider, that's completely fine, because universe is trying to give you an opportunity to see, okay, at a broader view. It's like, you know, when you are there and you are not there, or people just ignore you types, try to see, like, you know, what is it that you're lacking, or what experience or what teaching it's trying to give you. You have abundance, you have growth, you have everything, but you need to step out of your comfort zone. You are restricting yourself. So darling, please open up this and come out of your comfort zone. That is what is required. Now what the angels are saying is, darling, you have not rewarded yourself. How mean, yeah? Don't be so mean to yourself. Do something. Pamper yourself. You deserve a pat on your back. Remember, you have been through a lot. Always, you have to pamper yourself, okay? This is something I always tell my darlings. You have been through a lot. You have achieved a lot. But have you complimented yourself? You have found many people saying or appreciating you, or maybe they may not be appreciating also, like, okay, fine, yeah, you had to do it, or we knew. Or you could have many people who are jealous or just take you for granted. But you should, you know, as I say, give a pat on your back. Or if you feel like buying an ice cream for yourself, or if you feel like doing winter shopping, or if you feel like taking a massage, or if you feel like getting a makeover done, or if you feel like working out or buying an expensive thing and all, do that, because you deserve that. You have put in that much effort, and you should. Yeah, that's completely fair. Okay, so please do not ignore, please reward yourself. Okay, that is what the angels are saying. Now there seems to be some projection issues you could deal with. So a part of you, if you see, there are these mirror images. So either your partner could mirror you, or you could be calling energies around you who could mirror you. So what I call for projections is illusions and reality. You need to know what the illusion is, you need to know what the reality is, face it. Secondly, you could be attracting energies which universe is saying that, darling, this thing belongs to you. So if you are aggressive, if you are angry, those kind of energies you will have around you. Okay, you will find such colleagues, such people around you who are aggressive, who are angry. But if you are happy and in a very good mood, you will definitely attract those kind of energies. So you need to pay attention to what kind of energies you are attracting. Always ask for help, darlings. Whatever it is, please ask. Now, this burden also, this is unwanted burden, okay? Because you think nobody is there to assist you. No. Always seek help. Your friends are there, your family are there to assist you. So, it can't be like, they aren't robots. Like, you are like, you're standing and then you are like, okay, please help me. They won't understand unless and until you're vocal about it, okay? So, please be vocal about your feelings. If you think nobody understands you for that matter, always ask, seek guidance from the universe and angels. They will definitely assist you. Okay, keep that thing in mind. Never lose out on that. Yes, you are the source. You will shine like the sun. Abundance, happiness, whatever you desire, you will have that. Okay, and if you think you're a little skeptical, the best thing is, angels are saying there's nothing to worry. So I think you're just overthinking. Okay, you kind of think, okay, will I achieve, I owe somebody some money, or I am looking for investments, will I find that? Yes, everything is a yes. You are just you're just worrying for nothing at all. Okay, so release all those worries, insecurities and fears to the angels. They definitely have your back. Okay, so if you ask me how the year is, the year seems interesting. It's just that you need to release these burdens and take care of the projection issues, and always seek guidance. At the end, always reward yourself. Okay, don't forget that. Seek help. Nature seems to be calling. Have fun, my love. Now, because we have an overall view as to how the year is going to be, let's try and seek some universal message. So angels and spirit guides, please can you help us getting some messages as to how this year would be for my sweethearts. Let's see. Okay, let's have them. We have a couple of them, but let's see. See, they're asking you to smile. When was the last time you smiled? Please smile, darling. It is really meant. You are brave. Never give up on hope. See, I told you. Time to relax. Pamper yourself. Anything that makes you feel unwind, do that, and be the best version of you. Never underestimate yourself. You know what you are. So just keep working hard, darling, and you will receive whatever you desire. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take it as it resonates. The rest you can actually leave behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And I shall definitely see you soon. Darlings, if this reading has resonated with you by any means, I would love to hear from you in the comment section. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, and have a wonderful year ahead, my love.